Hello everyone, welcome to another short tutorial where we'll go step by step to create a custom symbol in QGIS. So not all standard symbols are available in QGIS, but the good news is it's very easy to create your own. So let's begin. So in this tutorial we will work with a linear feature such as a thrust fault. So let's trace a thrust fault in the southern part of the Himalayas. This is just an approximate trace for demonstration. First, we will create a new shapefile layer. Now, creating custom symbols simply involves changing the style of the default symbol. So, open the style panel for this line layer. Next, add one more layer to this symbol and apply the settings as shown in the video. You can create multiple symbols in the same way. See how easily we have transformed a very simple line into a standard thrust fault symbol. The best part, you can save this symbology for future use. Watch how I am doing it here. Now let's try applying this same style to another linear feature representing a thrust fault elsewhere. And yes, it's possible. So just right click on the layer, go to properties, symbology, then style, load style, browse the .qml file you saved earlier and apply it. Okay, so see the video for all these steps. You can even share these custom symbols with anyone working on similar datasets anywhere in the world. I hope you found this short tutorial video useful. If you did, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more quick QGIS tips. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.